Jesus Christ, this is the second time I'm recording because I have my mic on mute, so I gotta redo everything I said again. This is nuts. Freaking making YouTube videos, bro. I'm just trying to review my trades, okay? Guys, this is really dope. But anyways, 350 today. 351 today. I originally lost on my position. I was waiting for the opening for because I didn't see anything on the scanners for anything that was gapping up, and everything was kind of looking shitty. Okay, the futures was shitty, everything was shitty, and usually when things are super shitty like that, like extra shitty, you can get a nice little squeeze at the open, and it continues throughout the entire day. Okay, and I was like, all right, so I was kind of looking for that, and I saw Carvana was kind of squeezing at 9:45, and I took a position in there. Let's get to it. I made like $50 because I didn't stay in it. And actually, I wasn't very confident, actually. I was still nervous. The market is so bearish. See this? I have a fucking baby and a wife in the background. There's distractions, okay? That's why I didn't stay in the trade as long as I should. So I saw the breakout. I went ahead and take it. I could have I put in my ask. I could have filled my entire position. Would have made $143. But the breakout was weak. It broke. What was it? 3150. I was looking at. I saw the 3150 break. That's what I was really going for. The spread is awful. You can see that 34.55. So this is already. I'm like, this trade is not. I'm not liking this. Okay. So I went ahead and got out for $50 whatever. But it kept going up. And but no worries. I don't give a F. You want to get something that you're confident in. And then I'm looking at now I'm starting to scan to see if I can find anything. Benzinga Pro is pretty dope at finding some scanners to see if there's anything. And I saw Roblox on my watch list. I saw Roblox approaching the $26 level. Okay, so I went to Roblox. Let's take it out. I was gonna play the 26 break. Okay. I'll take my position in anticipation for the 26 break. Because I saw the level. I mean, I really wasn't watching the level 2 that hard. I was just looking at the chart, and I just had a feeling that we're squeezing. Because it did this the day before. It did this the day before. So I was like, all right. So we're reaching key level, see if we can break through it. Oh, dude. I'm going to see. I was looking for a 26 break, but 26 might be the resistance. Okay, and it starts to hesitate. Oh, I changed my camera angle so I can so I can show you guys what kind of charts I'm looking at. It starts to hesitate a little bit, and I was like, oh crap. So I decided to get out of the trade because if it's not working in my favor right away, I always look for a re-entry, and if I'm wrong, I'll just get back in. So I'd rather take my loss and whatever. It's hesitating here. See, I'm like down 120 right here, 150. What is that? See that? 140. I went ahead and get out. Ended up being down 110. Hit. It was 150 hit, counting my profits from Carvana. I'm down 110. Not looking too hot. Starting off the day with a red. So I'm re-looking at it, and I think I saw that. Look, I got my levels marked off. It broke under 26. I'm just like, okay, maybe I'll test the EMA. So I think I took a position at the EMA. Yeah, I took a position. Let me go back. All right, let's see if we get a bounce off the EMA. I think that was the 50 period moving average that I have. And the plus is a whole number. So it's an EMA and a whole number. So those two, to me, always feels like a good place for a dip buy. When you got a whole number and then you got a moving average, it's worth taking a shot. If it's not working out for you, you take another 10-cent hit. If I would have lost here, I would have been done for the day. But it grinded back up, and I took my 20-cent win. Let's see, I'm gonna hold the rest for. I think I got way too much than I originally wanted because my trade station, I have it to where I buy 500 and I sell 300. I should have done a percentage thing, but I'll probably do that later. I don't know. I'm gonna trade with my CMake account tomorrow, my active account with real money, and I'm gonna be using because this is a simulated account. And you know,
some resistance there, so I went ahead and sold at the bid.
but I'm trading the same way as like I would on a real account, because I'm moving my account to the CMEG because I want to see if I can build. I'm gonna build up a small account and see if I can make it huge, and I think I can.
Simulated account. I'm gonna be.
Look at me. I'm explaining. All right, let's take a look at this, okay? Okay, so I closed it because it was getting weak, and then I guess I was gonna be done for the day. It would have been, I think, a $30 profit, which is nothing to brag about. I was like, what the hell? Yeah, so I decided to stop recording, but it turns out it rocketed right back up to 26, and since it broke it the second time,
all right, yo.
whoa. Since it broke it the second time, so I see that it breaks this 26 level again, and I see a micro pullback, and I went ahead and got my shares at 26.
Order filled.
So I guess I got it filled at 26.13. I got 26.13 fill, and my out would have been, if it broke under 26, I would have been out. I would have taken a 15-cent hit, and it would have made my day red. You know, but I saw this opportunity. Sometimes you just gotta take it and not be scared to take it. Whatever. I mean, a trade is a trade. You know, if you see it, you take it.
Order.
So I'll go ahead and took some off the table. I sold 300 for a 10-cent. 10-cent win.
Here at this
Order.
breakout.
I put in another order at 26. If it was my other account, I'm gonna have a 50%. I'll just do it one time. Boom. Because I don't want to get wrecked by commissions. So I'm gonna have a button where I push it be 50%, and I just hold to see what it's going to do.
I think the people are getting squeezed.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm keeping 300.
People got squeezed. This went up to $30, and I didn't hold it. All I did was hold it. It would have been huge, but I like that 50-cent win. It was actually a 40-cent win.
I think
My risk, that was like a 3-to-1 risk, because my out was 10 cents. My out is 10 cents, and taking if your out is 10 cents and your win is 50 cents, that's a 5-to-1. That's pretty solid. That's what you look for, and then you keep the rest for a home run. But I didn't, because I'm not doing percentages with this. It's hard to. I didn't want to input the numbers either because I want to be quick. So I'm on my hotkeys, and unfortunately, I didn't hold the rest of it for a big win. I went ahead and just sold everything out because
It's still squeezing.
you can hear this baby in the background, right? So I can't be staying in a trade, bro. I gotta go balance out my life. Yeah. So that was it.
That's it.
So that was 350 day market. And plus, I'm not trying to overstay my welcome because the market is still kind of weak. Even if you got your rallies, even if it rallies today, you're still on a downtrend. If it's a true bear market, we got a long way to go. I'm looking at another rally day when this thing hits like 11,200 on the Nasdaq ish, or if it breaks over 12,300 and holds. But overall, just be careful out there, guys. These are good days in the beginning because most positions are getting squeezed out. So you could have picked something and made some bank, and I hope everyone else did. And yeah, I mean, that's all I gotta say. I don't know shit. I'm just a fucking dude. I'm just telling you what I'm gonna do, what I'm doing. And this is how I'm playing shit. Okay, guys. I'm kind of rushing this because I recorded earlier and I fucking had my shit on mute and I was just talking for no reason. Okay, dope. Peace.